So I'm going to show you how you can mass unfollow every single person on your Instagram account. It's really simple and easy to do, so keep on watching. First, we're going to open up the Instagram app and then log into your account. And so once you're in an account, the first thing they can do, which is going to be the most common method, is to simply click on following. And then now you can simply just click on unfollow and simply do this one by one. However, this is actually not a good method at all, especially if you have a lot of followers, because number one, it's going to take a long time to do that. And also number two, Instagram has this bot detection thing where if you mass unfollow a lot of people, they're going to think that you're a bot and then they're going to lock your account and possibly even delete your account entirely. So I'm going to show you another way what to do. Also, what you don't want to do is go to download a third-party app and then tell them to help you unfollow everyone, because they're just going to steal your information and most likely take away your account as well. So what you want to do is click on the three bars at the top right corner, and now you want to click on settings and privacy. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to the really bottom, and then you're looking for the section that says more info and support, and under that it says help, so you want to click on help. And so once you're in this page, you want to click on report a problem, and click on report problem without shaking. And right over here, you want to click on include and continue, or don't include and continue. It does not really matter. And so now you're going to be brought up to this custom page, which is basically tell Instagram what your problem is. So just say something like, hello, Instagram, please unfollow everyone that I'm following. Thanks. And simply click on the send button. And then within about a couple hours to up to 1 or 2 business days, Instagram's going to help you and unfollow everyone. So